Welcome to the installation guidance of YB Toner. Today I will teach you how to replace HP 67 ink. First, turn on the printer until the light comes on. Then, open the front cover and ink chamber door. Wait for the cartridges to move to the middle of the printer. At this point, press the used ink cartridges down and take them out. Now, remove the new ink cartridges from the packaging. Take off the protective cover, and tear off the sealing tape. Install the cartridges into the matching slots until you hear a click. Finally, close the ink chamber door and the front gate.